Allie is making ice cream. Keep shaking it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You can stand up and do a dance. Yep, that's how we make ice cream. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it all around. Shake it all around. Shake it all around. Sally, I think, made ice cream. Go ahead and scoop it out and put it in your bowl.
Every single piece.
Oh my gosh, we made ice cream. Sally, we'll put the rest in the freezer. Say, I made ice cream.
I made ice cream.
Put chocolate syrup on her ice cream. And she is about to tell me, how does her ice cream taste? This is from Sally's Kitchen. Oh, we got it! Ah, we got a thumbs up.
I just made chocolate ice cream.
That's amazing.
Just made chocolate melted ice cream.